up a deck gun with a 1 3/8 tip. So we're going to see what happens here.
All right, that's a no-go.
If I was you, I said to you, hey, I'm going to start my deck gun. What are you going to tell me? No. What are you going to do? All right? We got a water supply issue. Yeah.
We got to make that known to command.
So right now we're going to open a deck on this scavengation. Now we open up this supply line, take care of the problem. Okay? So really when you see that happening, you got to think of one thing. You're out of water. Nothing you can do about it. You're out of water. You can't get any more water out of it. You only idle down or get a supply line.
In preparation for being the water supply engine, the potential for large flows of water will be necessary. We're going to test and flush a hydrant. Open that hydrant up, flow for about 30 seconds until we have evidence we have a clear stream coming out. This is different than the burp test that we do when we're doing our annual testing of hydrants.
Set up and send your oil when you're ready.
Shut down that deck gun. So we are totally maxed out on water supply coming into the grid. We're going to augment with our supply engine, water supply engine. We're going to open up
want to open up that deck gun now?
All right, damn, open it up. You got plenty of water supply now.
I'm just giving it 90 to that.
That's fine. Our water supply is adequate. We're flowing, I believe, two landlines
Charlie,
and a inch and 3/8 stick. About 500 GPM on top.
Why don't you go ahead?
300. We're doing about 800 GPM right
What,
now.
what price are you?
Okay, so what we did is we did a water supply operation here, simulating our new SOG on a water supply engine. We got a water supply engine hooked up on a hydrant. So we're pulling a total on this job here of 1400 GPM. We had a very good supply hydrant, and we're hooked up with 5-inch hose with a double tap or single tap or additional line going into the engine. It worked out very well.